What's going on, everybody? I'm Dan from the Autism Community Store, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a spaceship using the Speks. And no, it's not going to be your traditional spaceship. Instead, we're going to be making something a little extra special. We're going to be making Star Wars TIE Fighters. So what we're going to do, we're going to need about 6 triangles, and the way to do this is we need 9 little specks. I usually like to divide them up by 3s to ensure that I get 9. So you can do it however you want, just as long as you have 9. Okay, and then once you have 9, just connect them like so, and then you make a triangle out of it. And if you need help making the triangle, the Speks guide should tell you how. And so you want to do this until you have 6 triangles. Okay, and once you have your 6 triangles, you're going to want to connect them together like so. Yep. There we go. So now you should have something that looks a bit like this hexagonal shape right here. Okay, so that's how you make the body, and now we'll move on to the wings. Okay, now so for the wings, what I like to do is I usually like to start off kind of in the middle. So again, you're going to want 2 more of these triangle shapes, and you're going to put them 1 on each side. And they should look a bit like so. Once you are done with that, you are going to want to put 5 more triangles both on top and on the bottom of each side. So in totality, that will be 20 total triangles. So this is what should turn up. It, folks. So as you can see, unfortunately I have not yet mastered how to do a 3-dimensional version of this one, but yeah, it's pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty fun, and very convenient. So if you like the video, guys, make sure to follow us on our social media platforms, so Facebook, Instagram, etc. And then make sure to come check out the store once this whole pandemic thing ends, guys. In the meantime, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside as much as you possibly can. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the near future.